so bad actually.
So here are the ingredients that we used.
Hello guys, welcome to my daughter's channel. We want to prepare pepper soup
For your son-in-law.
for my son-in-law. First, this is a cow tongue. I put cow tongue first. I wash it, slice it. This is cow tongue. Second, I put goat meat. That is goat meat. The third one, I put Shaki. Because some Shaki used to strong very well. That's the reason I want to put it the same time. I put Shaki. That is Shaki. So, this is salt to taste. That is salt. This is Maggi cube. This is onions. Onions. This is pepper. It's okay like that. We'll add later. If it's not enough, we'll put later. This pepper soup ingredient, I grind this by myself. This one, there's ginger there, garlic, and the pepper soup spices is there. We put it. This also pepper soup spices.
Let me show them that one in case they cannot. I don't see the name.
This is the name.
Yes. In case you can't grind it yourself, this Larsor is very nice. You can buy it from Nigeria. I don't know if African shop they have it though.
So we will now stir. If you call me for party, you want to do pepper soup for party, this is how you normally do it. I will not put plenty water yet. I will let it to boil so that the ingredients will enter inside the meat, so that everything will enter very well and it will sweet. So I will just stir it now and I will cover. Let's say 3 minutes or 5 minutes. When it boils up, before I will now add water to it.
Yeah, when we don't put the light, will it be high or they'll reduce it a bit?
It will be high. It will be high.
Won't it burn?
No, you can reduce it if you don't want it to burn. But this one, there's no even water there at all, so I will reduce the light small. You know, I've washed everything, put inside the plate. If I'm washing it from the zinc direct to the pot, there will be small water. So I will let it steam small, so that I will. Let me cover it now. I will let it small so that it will not burn. So I will reduce the light. We come back shortly. So I stirred very well. See, there's water inside. Okay. Yeah. It's time for me to add More water. Yes. So we cover to, for him to done. Everything is perfect, Maggie. Everything is perfect. Salt.
Yes, guys, don't forget to taste your food. Always taste your food to be certain that you have all ingredients in place. Okay. Oh, yeah. No.
Hello, guys. We have cooked the meat for about 20 minutes now. So the meat is already finally done. So the next thing now is to put the leaf. We are using scent leaf.
It has that color because it's been frozen.
Yeah,
Been in the fridge. It's fresh leaf my mom brought from Nigeria.
this is scent leaf.
Fresh simply.
Yeah, that is the last one. So I add small water. Depend as you want the pepper soup to thick. Yeah.
So the scent leaf gives it a different kind of smell and taste. It adds flavor to the pepper soup. Yes, mommy.
Yeah. Yes, I will still add small water.
Yeah, it's quite thick. Wow, this tastes really nice. My husband will be so happy. He went to the African shop himself to get this cow tongue, goat's meat, and shaki because he wanted pepper soup. He'll be so happy. Let me have a taste, please. Thank you. Wow, the scent leaf really changed the taste. Like,
Yes, now we change the taste.
give it a really nice flavor.
Yes. So let the water.
Yeah, so let it boil so that the scent leaf, it's a flavor will, yeah, and then it will wash inside. Without even washing, it's already tasting really nice. Guys, I can't wait.
Yeah, wow. Hi guys. Nigerian pepper soup is ready. So you can serve now. Please subscribe to my data channel. Please, it's ready. So we want to go and serve it now. Yeah. Thank you. God bless you as you subscribe. Wow. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, guys. See you next time.
Baby,
Yeah.
your cow tongue pepper soup is here.
Cow tongue. So this is cow tongue.
Mm.
It's not bad actually.
Do you like it?
That tastes like meat.
Yeah.
That's a little bit rough like.
It's a bit rough.
Oh, it's good though.
But I mix it with shaki and goat meat.
Well done.
It's mommy that made it though.
Well done, mummy.
Okay.
Okay.
They're nice.
Now this belly I just ate it too. When you put nasal.
That's nice.
So do you want to use the rice to eat the pepper soup or the pepper soup to eat the rice? Ideally, you're supposed to put the water in the rice and start eating like that.
So I got to put the water in the rice.
Mm-hmm.
So can I pour the rice into that and just mix it?
Anyhow you want to do it, it's fine.
So the whole plate is right up.
If that's how you like it.
Well, how do you mean to eat it?
You put like this. You put the pepper soup in the rice. Put 1 spoon of the pepper soup and the meat in the rice.
So like that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then you
like
take it, yeah. You can even add some and then turn it in the plate. It's just like the other way around, yeah. It's the same, but the other way around.
If not, I'll just get the rice and just pour it in there.
Eat it as you like.
Anyhow you like it, just eat it like that.
Because this way it soaks all the rice.
Yeah. So you want it to soak out. Yeah, you can still do the same thing and pour it here. In fact, it's the same thing. Just do it. Do as you like. It.
Am I breaking the rules?
Oh my gosh. This village man, village white man.
Like that, it soaks all in.
So you want it to soak everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Soaks all in the rice.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just go up.
So do you like it like that?
Mm. This one tickle my belly.
Tickled it very well.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy. See how you turned everything.
Mm-hmm.
Village one.